All right, so now for the face, for Hydrafacials, and for gliding, we're gonna learn how to make Hydrafacial Solution. Right here, this is just micellar water. It smells good, it glides good. It's just basically oil and water. It's nothing fancy about micellar water. It just collects dirt and debris. So here's a witch hazel. Oh yeah, witch hazel soaks up and it rinses or wrings out. It's an astringent. Oh yeah, tightens pores at the same time. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, moving on to, oh yeah, our favorite, hydrogen peroxide. It's a scrubber. Yep, it gets things off, gets bacteria off. Oh yeah, antimicrobials, antifungal, all of those good things. Oh yeah. Yeah, hydrogen peroxide. We're gonna need a siphon, doing everything from scratch. So this is how I really make my bottles. So put your label on the bottle. You're gonna be 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. Half, half, and half. All right, let's do it again. 1/2 is right here. We're gonna do the first half. It's just gonna be the micellar water, micellar. Yeah, micellar. No, not the micellar in those horror movies where they tie people up in the basement. Like that's a different type of micellar. Like no, you don't want to be in that one. This is micellar water. Okay, so that's just a half of it. Pour it on in there. To make micellar water, you can actually add some water and some oil, mix it in a homogeneous blender. You got micellar water, just to be honest with you. They just using a fancy type of oil. Just picks up dirt and debris off of your skin. It's almost like oil pulling. Oh yeah, old Egyptian secret. There's nothing new that America has made up. This is stuff that the Egyptians, black folk, and people who invented things that people don't get credit for have invented a long ass time ago. So anyways, or Hispanic or Asian, Indian people. Oh yeah, we done made up everything in this world. I gotta tell you. So that third level, remember that was the witch hazel. All we did was add witch hazel. So now we're adding in. This is how the products actually do work. And not everything's gonna mix. So see at the very top, that's the micellar water. The oil floats to the top. They don't like to homogenize or mix with other ingredients unless you spin them together in a homogeneous blender. Homogeneous meaning like harmonious, together, communion. We will commune together, brothers and sisters. Oh yeah. So some of the micellar water is not gonna totally mix, but we're getting there. Look, that's why you need a blender to. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Don't overfill. Just pour out a little bit. And it's all a liquid. Nothing will solidify. Nothing's gonna grow past its, water-based, form. Yeah, you shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And this one's shaking. Yep, stirring and shaking. Oh yeah, but look at that. It looks wonderful. And somebody's like, oh my God, what is that? I want to use this on my face all the time. Like, yeah. It's just $35.99. Or you can sell it for $59.99 or $100, whatever you choose your price point. Make sure your demographics can meet your expectations of what you're going to price everybody at. It doesn't make sense to price things at a high price. Yeah, don't do it. Use witch hazel. Witch hazel still is acidic. It's very acidic. This is an actual 70% witch hazel. There's 90%. I don't know if there's a 95 to 100 one. I don't know. I'm pretty sure there probably is. Chemically made, or you gotta order it. But this one is 70% and it still stings. Have you ever cut yourself, or when men shave, you put witch hazel and that burn? Oh yeah, aftershave is nothing but a lot of witch hazel and some other ingredients added all into one, and it burns like crap. But it tightens up that skin. No, like Night of the Living Dead and the body parts are peeling off and zombie people. No, we don't need to see that. Shedding your skin like a fucking snake. No, you've seen the videos. Now, yes, do their skin come out nice and flawless and gooey and gorgeous? Yes, but that's after about 35 to 45 days of downtime, which they don't fucking show you. So when you see the Kardashians getting chemical peels and shit like that, that's like weeks after that show. They already filmed that chemical peel weeks ago, and now they're back to normal because it's been weeks. 35 days to 45 days later. Don't feed into the bullshit. No one comes out perfect. If you get Botox, you're gonna look like a million bees bit you. Any type of procedure, be careful. But that one we just made was just witch hazel